Hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So in today's video I did some venison burgers for you. I was coming home and gonna whip up some lunch for myself, so I figured I'd show you a quick little video of some venison burgers. They're super easy, and of course I'm using some good old Uncle Steve shake on them, and then gonna throw them in my cast iron pan there to get a good sear on them and good color and everything else. And a little tip there for you for making venison burgers, since they're low on fat content in them, I like to cut up a stick of butter and throw in them and mix around with the meat, so that way you're going to keep your moisture content up and it's going to be a lot more flavor. And I use the salted butter, and then I just portioned it out there with my little patty maker. That thing's pretty awesome. You can do it into different sizes of thirds and fourths and half-pound size burgers. And once I got it formed out there, you can see the little butter pockets in there. That'll just keep moisture in it, like I said, and then flavor as well. And then I just used good old Uncle Steve shake original, seasoned them, and then in the good old skillet they went to fry up and get good color on them and get them done to chow on. Nothing to it much, but just to fry them. I wish I had a grill at the time to do them, because it'd be better on the grill, but it's hard to beat a good fried burger too. A little grease in there, but it's alright since the venison's so lean. And there's a second set. You'll have to forgive the patty over there, because I done took a bite out of it. Like I said, I was hungry for some lunch. I'd had a long day. So just for the topping on it was pretty simple. There's the candied jalapenos, some mayonnaise, and then I melted some cheese to throw on the top, and boom, there you go. Just a simple little venison burger, but good tip with the butter there to keep it moist and add good flavor into it. You can use that with turkey as well, since it's one that can be a little bit drier on you. But anyways, I love y'all. I thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.